Dr. Jing Han. I'm here with Healthy Eyes Optometry with the soft openings with a lot of the health clinics and for me optometry clinics coming up. We've been in a mad scramble in protecting our clients and also our staff. So I'm here today just to show my colleagues and also other small business owners like what we did to quickly install some, we call them sneezeguards, I believe is what everyone's calling them now, but some items from Home Depot and Plexiglass and shelving stands. And in about 2 or 3 minutes, we could put something like this together for each of one of our desks. So okay. All right, we have 24-inch by 48-inch plexiglass. I believe it's just 1/8 thick sheets, and I have these $2 Home Depot or Lowe's shelving brackets. So I'm just gonna eyeball it because we don't have to be super precise, but I need some space below the glass sheets so that we could hand things to the clients. So I'm just gonna draw a line here. Take off any stickers that may be on the back bracket because it's going to come off with the tape. And actually I'm just going to do all 4 at the same time here. Material wise, I spent about $65 per sheet, so definitely not too bad. And like I said, just about 5 minutes per guard. If you were to buy something, they're going for about $150 or more, depending on how nice it is. So I have like 6 or 7 sheets here. I'm just gonna do one here and I'm just gonna line it up. I'm just gonna eyeball about 8 inches in. And I'm just gonna draw a line just to know where the top hole in the bracket's at. And then this is going to line up about 3 inches to that. And I'll just draw a hole there. It doesn't have to be super precise, but I do want it to be even. I'm going to do the same thing here. Alright, there we go. Let's get these off. And I got my drill. It's like maybe a 1/4 inch drill bit. Put on my safety glasses because we're optometrists. And perfect. And I have extra sheets of plexiglass because I need like 5 or 6 of these underneath. So I just kind of drilled right through it. So it kind of sets up my next sheet for the same measurements. All right, that's done. Also with these brackets, they come white, and we went ahead, I just spray painted black coloring over it, and just so it looks a little bit more nice. So let me move this off. These sheets have a protective coating or a film over it, so we just peel those guys off. Like that. And now you're left with a really clear sheet with just 2 holes at the bottom. For the glue, I'm using Gorilla Glue double-sided tape. And I was trying to save or skimp on the tape, but I'm finding you just want to, put enough tape that goes from the top to the bottom, right below the top hole of the bracket there. and I'll tell you why in a sec. So we're just gonna cut that off. Let's go ahead and do another one. Make sure you get as much surface area onto the bracket because the bracket is hollow in the middle. So that does affect how well it sticks to the tape. So you're going to need 4 brackets per sneeze guard. And then take the tape end off, or I mean get the sticky part going. Having a little trouble here. Okay, and then you just line up the hole here. You want to come on over here, Madison. Okay, so we just got the little hole on the bracket here, and see I didn't put the tape all the way on there, and we're just gonna line that up right with our hole on the plexiglass. And I'm just gonna kind of eyeball a perpendicular fit there. We're gonna do that, and then we're just going to do the other one here. And just kind of try your best to make it perpendicular. And now we're going to flip this. And we're going to go ahead and do the other sides. And then we're just about done. This part's the hardest part.
Yeah.
Taking the other side of the plastic off. We're going to put the hole here, and we're going to line that up. We're going to press it together, make sure it's nice and sealed, and then same thing here. Okay, very good. And then we're just going to go ahead and prop it up now, and it'll hold. And you might think you're almost done, but it does, this glue, the sticky tape does come off. So we need 1/4 inch bolts with a nut. And this is about maybe half an inch in length. So just go ahead, they fit perfectly through that top hole of the bracket. So just go ahead and hand screw it on. And it doesn't need to be too tight, because you don't want to crack the plexiglass. There you go, just like that. And then here on this side as well. So just kind of come a twist. Just get all the way up there. Perfect. And then one other thing that I had an issue with is the bottom would separate. And to prevent that from happening, the solution was just a couple small zip ties. There's holes at the bottom bracket, and you just put the zip tie through there. You just tighten it up, and then go ahead and cut off the end. Now it's nice and secure. We'll do the same on this side. All right, and there we go. We got protective sneeze guards for our front desk and our dispensing tables. And I'm surprised about how clear it is, and they're actually pretty sturdy. So there we go. Please like and subscribe. All right, so here's our final product for our sneeze guards at the front desk. And you can see there's enough room to give charts and sign papers. And it's really clear and very sturdy. And then here's a view of how we have it set up at our front dispensing table. So there you go. Hopefully this helps everybody, and also lets our patients know that we're just taking extra steps to kind of protect their health as well. Thank you for watching, and talk to you soon.